Just received this pre-owned push to start button, and I'm gonna try to install it and hopefully it will work. I know that I have keyless go package because I have sensors on every single door. But in some videos I've seen where they say to see whether you have a package or not. If you just push and it starts, then you have it. I push, it still doesn't start, so I'm gonna insert it and see if it will work. Okay, it's in. Took a while, but it did work. Checked again dozen times. It is working. Just to show you that if you push your finger inside the ignition and the vehicle does not start up, it doesn't necessarily mean you don't have keyless go package. I'd say the best way to tell is if you have those sensors on every door, or at least on the front doors. Like I say, I bought my push to start button on eBay, but I'll provide the Amazon link to aftermarket one on Amazon. If you have any questions, let me know. I try to reply as soon as I can. Thanks for watching. See you next time.